appropriately titled Mapungubwe, The Beginning. This is a lecture series organized annually by the South African National Parks. It takes place in Mapungubwe, which is a World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. Today we get an opportunity to go and visit the hill that represents ancient knowledge, that represents the history of an empire that was started in this region by African people. And the story of this hill embodies what is known as African knowledge systems, which Dr. Mathole Motshekga calls science, because he believes that science is derived from ancient knowledge.
Unless we know where we come from, we will never know why we are here. We will not understand the condition in which we are, and we will not understand that we have to liberate ourselves from the conditions that we are in. We will never understand that we have a responsibility to work for a better future for ourselves, our children, and future generations.
The South African National Parks are renowned as some of the most beautiful corners of our country. But did you know that they are also home to important archaeological and heritage sites? One of these is Mapungubwe Hill, the site of an ancient kingdom that traded with the East before mysteriously disappearing. Today, Mapungubwe National Parks is a World Heritage Site in recognition of its myriad cultural riches.
A lot of people, when they heard about gold from this place, thinking that there was a gold mine, yes, they came in large numbers to come and dig gold for their own treasures, and there was no gold. So gold came from eastern part of Botswana, southwest of Zimbabwe. For we are not far from the Gwanda gold mine in Mathole, south in Zimbabwe. There is the river that we call Tuli River from Matopo Hills, Bulawayo. Is coming to this side to Shashe River, from Shashe to Limpopo. So it's the river that brought fine gold from the north to this side, and those people were penning gold from the rivers.
Our founders have correctly said that we are not second-class citizens of the world. If anything, we are first-class citizens of the world, because Africa is the mother continent. Africa is the beginning. So Mapungubwe, the beginning, is the most appropriate topic for the lecture series that the SANParks came up with.
Monomotapa, children of the sun, walking on sacred ground. These are some of the catching phrases that make the visit to Mapungubwe so riveting. A lecture series known as Mapungubwe The Beginning is a revelation. But beyond that, a visit to Mapungubwe is getting a glimpse into the windows of the lives of your ancestors. Take time, folks, and come and visit some of the most important heritage sites this country has to offer. But more than anything else, take time to revisit your soul. What a wonderful time we've had.